Welcome to the project demonstration of visitors monitoring system using Raspberry Pi. So here we are going to enter the visitors number from this keypad, and the number will be displayed on the 16:2 LCD, and whenever the number accessed, then camera will capture the image of the visitor and store the details along with the visitor number and the time in the Raspberry Pi. So we can access the particular images along with the details of the date and time through the connecting the Raspberry Pi to HDMI screen. We can access the details. So here keypad got interfaced at the 5, 6, 18, 13, 26, 20, 21, 22 pins of the Raspberry Pi, and the LCD interfaced at 17, 27, 22, 10, 9, 11 pins of the Pi 3. So here we are using Raspberry Pi 3 B+ board, so which will interface with the input and output modules. So here in our project the input modules are 4x4 keypad and Pi camera, and also output modules are L16:2 LCD screen. So here we have already inserted one memory card which has the Raspbian OS predefined installed and updated. So for demonstration, just go with the connecting the power supply to the socket and then wait for the booting on your LCD screen. So it will take around of 10 to 15 seconds of booting, and then the camera light will be on and off initially, and then after welcome message will be displayed on the LCD screen. Right. Okay, now we need to enter the ID number. So let us go with the 11. So when we entering the 1111 is one ID. So after that the camera will capture the photo, and the photo name will be the ID number along with the date and time. So we'll show you that in the LCD screen. So the next is 5555 entering. So if I enter the same 1111, it will store it as an exit. Right, the ID one is access and exiting. So like this, entrance and exiting details will be stored inside the Raspberry Pi along with image capturing also. So this system was programmed for the 10 users 0 to 9. So now let us see the output on the HDMI screen. So now in order to check the output on your HDMI screen, just connect the HDMI output and keyboard. So I am connecting here wireless keyboard and mouse. So you can connect the only mouse is enough. So after booting on your screen, so we can access the desktop of the Raspberry Pi. Once the desktop got opened, so then go to the file manager. So right, after logged in, so after booting successfully done, so we can get this desktop from the Raspberry Pi output, and now just go to this file manager, and there we can see the images. This is our main project code, and these are the images, and this is the login details. Okay, so here the ID number 1 and how much of duration he stayed. So this also will be stored here. The duration also will be storing here, and these images. Okay, so first image and item is exit. So these are the details will be stored. So if I entered, so again for example, so 4444, so is entering, and the new images came 4444. So it got captured the front image, and after entering the 4444 again, right, one there exit also, the new image came. This is the exit, and the login got restored again. Till how much of time he stored here, right? So for after executing that, he can remove all these details, only these images. Don't do the remaining other things. Okay, thank you.